Welcome to Quick Money Club, an environment where we share simple ideas on how you can start making money online today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because it inspires me to share more tips and tricks about earning money online. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my videos. I made over $1,000 just copying and pasting into this completely free software and visiting the website. I'll tell you about it at the end of the video. So get ready to make some cash. This method works for everyone all over the world and is one of the simplest ways to generate money online. There is no selling, affiliate marketing, or social media followers required. And no prior experience is required because all you have to do is copy and paste text. Those who watch this video to the end can make a lot of money because I will reveal 3 additional websites from which you can earn easy money. So let's start right here and I will show you how to combine Google with one completely free tool to get paid repeatedly and make a lot of money online. If you follow all of these steps in this video, you'll earn close to $1,000 in less than 30 minutes. Don't worry, if PayPal isn't available in your country or you don't want to use PayPal, I'll teach you how to select other payment options as well. So if you don't want to be paid through PayPal, you can choose from other options such as bank transfers, cryptocurrencies, and so on. Anyway, let's start with step 1, which is that you have to go to google.com. The next step is to search for Google News, which you can do by going to the search box and typing in Google News. When you do a Google News search, the first official website that comes up is news.google.com. This is a location where you can discover the most up-to-date news and articles on a variety of topics from around the world. Similar to a newspaper, where you can see the newest news on anything from politics to entertainment to sports, science, health, and history. The website could have everything you could ever want. So, how are you going to make money with this or obtain free PayPal money with this? Soon, you'll be able to see how this works. All of the different topic categories are listed on the left-hand side of the website. You have current events news from across the world, as well as local news. Something on which we shall concentrate. Simply put, you want to concentrate solely on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and most importantly, health. You can also search for it in the search bar. It will show you all of the most recent health-related news and stories. So let's read through and see what we can find. So select any health-related article that was recently posted. Keep in mind while choosing the article that it should have a catchy title so that a lot of people would be inclined to click on it. So all you have to do is open one of those articles, find something interesting that people would like to click on and read it and open it. Don't worry, you won't have to write any articles. And this has nothing to do with affiliate marketing or anything else. All you have to do now is open the article and begin copying content from it. The next step is to go to the website spinbot.com. You'll need to paste the copied text from the Google News article into the given box. This website will rewrite the article for you, allowing you to have it in your own words. That means it will be absolutely unique, and you will be able to use it for personal purposes as well as share it on various websites to earn money. You can post them on up to 3 additional websites, which I will disclose with you, and they will pay you for them. Some of them will pay you $1 per word, as you can see. These Google News stories can easily exceed 1,000 words. So you can do the math and figure out about how much money you can make with this method. Coming back to the next step, just paste the text into the rewriting article box, scroll down, and verify that you are not a robot, then click Go. After that, it will rewrite the entire article for you, and you can see the content is nearly identical, yet the words are used differently. It involves the use of synonyms and the rewriting of your own words. The text has been substantially transformed while maintaining the same meaning. The article is now taken on a life of its own. Now copy your unique and revised article to a Word document and you're ready to earn money. In order to earn money, you will have to paste your article on websites. Eatingweb.com is the name of the first website, so you can write your own articles for eatingweb.com and get paid for it. However, instead of putting in the time and effort to produce an article, you can now utilize Google News and Spinbot to create fully unique articles and earn a very good amount of money. This is the first of 2 websites I have for you. So let's assume you have a 1,400-word article. You may just earn $1,400 for every piece by simply copying and pasting. So how do you submit your content and get paid for it? You'll just need to browse down on this website until you find the portion with their contact information and copy their email address from it. After you've copied their email address, go to your email and send them the rewritten article with submission as the subject line. You must wait for them to review your article after submitting the email, and if they like it, they will send you an email asking how you want to get paid. If you prefer to be paid via PayPal or bank transfer, simply provide them your contact information and they will pay you the funds. Because fresh stories on Google News appear every couple of hours, your earning potential is virtually limitless. You can rewrite those hundreds and thousands of articles using Spinbot.com. Paste them into a Word document and submit them to these websites. Now I'll tell you about other additional websites where you can get the money. The other website is siracab.org. To submit an article on siracab.org, follow the requirements on their websites and send them an email. You'll need to search for anything connected to technology or science to submit to Sierra.com, just as you did for eatingwell.com. Daily.jstor.org is the final webpage where you can submit your article. You can read more about how it works by going to their submission requirements. This way you can earn money from a variety of websites and maximize your earnings. This is a fantastic website since they only require you to write 1,800 to 2,000 words per post and pay you roughly 31 cents per word. It isn't quite as high as the prior 2 websites, but it is definitely better than earning nothing. Plus, the upside is you can rewrite articles since there's not going to be any shortage of information that can be utilized in rewriting. Even though you get work for the lowest price, you will be able to set the pace and gain experience from smaller projects, so you can leverage your skills later on and make even more money. So there you have it. You can now make thousands of dollars simply by copying and pasting. And it's all for free. You don't have to wait because you can begin implementing this method right away. I hope you found this video useful. And if you did, don't forget to like it and tell us in the comments section below. Be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you may never miss any of the amazing stuff we have in store for you.